Holiday cards are a reflection of your sentiments during the holiday season and often make family and friends feel better. You can make someone smile with a heartfelt message or a funny photograph they can't get anywhere else. So let's make your friends and family more special this year by making handmade cards. My name is Mohini and I am an acrylic artist based India. So here we will be creating 4 beautiful Christmas cards which you can easily create and gift it to your loved ones. So let's start with this Christmas magic of creating beautiful cards.